Hello and welcome back to the How to Geek Studios. I'm Grizz and today I'll be unboxing the highly anticipated iPhone 15. As a longtime Apple user, I have to say I'm pretty excited about the new line of iPhone 15s. Of course, right out of the gate you'll notice Apple's signature attention to detail with the package design. Apple continues to redefine innovation. You gotta love an Apple product opening. And here it is, the iPhone 15 in stunning green. An instant eye catcher. The aluminum design of the 15, with its color-infused glass back, feels nice in the hands and looks amazing. As we explore the rest of the box, you'll find the usual suspects, a handy user guide to get you started, the requisite Apple sticker, but also a USB-C cable. You heard that right. Apple has finally ditched its proprietary Lightning cables in favor of the much more widely used USB-C format, which supports USB 2 data transfer speeds. Of course, beauty is not the only thing this phone has to offer. The iPhone 15 comes equipped with an advanced A16 Bionic chip, the same chip as the iPhone 14 Pro, ensuring lightning-fast performance. The screen on the iPhone 15 is a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display, delivering vibrant colors and deep blacks that will make your content pop. One new feature that's available on all iPhone 15s is the Dynamic Island. Dynamic Island bubbles up alerts and live activities, so you don't miss them while you're doing something else. You can track your next ride, see who's calling, check your flight status, and so much more. And with the new iPhone 15, you're not just getting top-notch performance and stunning visuals, you're also contributing to Apple's commitment to sustainability with its eco-friendly materials. So there you have it, the unboxing of the Apple iPhone 15. For a deeper dive, check out the How to Geek review on the iPhone 15 to get the full scoop. Thanks again for joining me on this unboxing adventure, and make sure to subscribe to the How to Geek newsletter for more tech reviews and unboxings. Until next time, this is Grizz signing off.